Once again, welcome to all of you. Children, here I am going to explain parts and whole chapter from page number 58. So look here children, this is Ramu's vegetable field, and what is written over here? Ramu's vegetable field has 9 equal parts. You can count the total number of parts also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 equal parts. What vegetable does he grow? So children, here you can see he has grown chilies, here he has grown potatoes, here brinjal, here tomatoes, here spinach, and here again potato. So here children, I have written the answer. He grows potatoes, brinjals, tomatoes, chilies and spinach. Now next question is which vegetable grows in the biggest part of his field? So children, here I have drawn a small field of Ramus, you can see here. Okay, so what we have to do here children, you have to find which vegetable grows in the biggest part of his field. Means कि आपको find करना है कि which vegetable means कि कौन सा vegetable biggest part means कि सबसे बड़े part में grow होता है. So children, here you can see tomato. Look here, 1, 2, 3. So your answer will be tomatoes grow in the biggest part of his field, because here you can see brinjal is 2 times and chili 1 time and potato 2 times. So what I am going to do here children, here I am writing chilies C, potato P, brinjal B, here again brinjal B, tomatoes T, and here potato, and here spinach. So now what you have to do here children, next question is what part. You have to find the fraction. So you can see here 1, 2, 3. So total number of parts. For writing the fraction, you have to write the total number of part at the denominator, and I am writing 9 over here, and here you will write 3, and after simplifying it, what you will be getting, 3 times 3 equals 9. So here your answer is 1/3 part of his field. It grows in the 1/3 part of his field. Next question is on what part of the field does he grow potatoes? So children, here you can count potatoes. One part is this and another part is this. So how you will write the fraction children for this? He grows potatoes on, first what you all will do, first you will write total number of parts at the denominator end, and here you will write the parts on which he has grown potatoes. So here you can see one part is this and another part is this. So 2 I have written at the top, means at the numerator end, and 9 at the denominator end. So here your answer is he grows potatoes on 2/9 part of the field. Next question is what part of the field is used to grow spinach? So children, here you can see in this box only one part, because spinach you can see here only in one part he is growing spinach. So here children, your answer will be, first for finding the fraction you will write total number of parts, that is 9, and at the denominator end, and one part he is growing spinach at only one part, so you will write 1 at the numerator end. So your answer is 1/9 part is used for growing spinach. And next question is what part is used for, this is for spinach. Okay, so here children, you can see your question is what part is used for brinjals. So children, here you can see one part is this and another part is this, one part, and this one is second part. So here what you will write, you at the numerator end you will write 2, and at the denominator end you will write total number of parts. So here your answer is he grows brinjals on 2/9 part of the field. Okay, next question is, now you write some questions by looking at this picture. So here children, I have written some question. What part of the field is used for growing chilies? What part of the field is used for growing brinjals? Okay, and which two vegetables are grown on equal part of the field? So with this we come to an end, and I hope these question answers are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.